Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu narrated, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has ordained some affair in the heaven, the angels beat with their wings in obedience to his statement, which sounds like a chain dragged over a rock. Ali and other sub-narrators said, the sound reaches them until when fear is banished from their angels' hearts. The angels say, what was it that your Lord said? They say, the truth, and He is the Most High, the Most Great. Then those who gain a hearing by stealing, devils, will hear Allah's Jalla Jalaluhu's statement. Those who gain a hearing by stealing stand one over the other like this. Sufyan, to illustrate this, spread the fingers of his right hand and place them one over the other horizontally. A flame may overtake and burn the eavesdropper before conveying the news to the one below him, or it may not overtake him till he has conveyed it to the one below him, who in his turn conveys it to the one below him, and so on till they convey the news to the earth. Or probably Sufyan said, till the news reaches the earth. Then the news is inspired to a sorcerer who would add 100 lies to it. His prophecy will prove true as far as the heavenly news is concerned. The people will say, didn't he tell us that on such and such a day, such and such a thing will happen? We have found that is true because of the true news heard from heaven. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4701.